Got soul fire in the building, twisted hairs, you know what I'm saying, locking up.
Yeah, boy.
Cat in the building, love you, boo.
Love you too, fam. Yeah, boy.
Black farmer magic. There's magic that lives firmly here. Compacted into the earth, we rise like dust, unable to settle. We roar like a pack of hungry babies. We make the moon our witness and commit to truth by the riverside. We wade, moving through treacherous currents to make success look good, make survival covetous, ignite desire out of marginalization. We are everywhere and going nowhere. We've been here, growed up and showed up, self-doubt slowed up. We not stoppable. Crops in rich soil, we nutrient dense. We breathe in, we believe in, we worthy, we loud. We live on purpose, we out loud. We hear, we ever bloom. Don't believe it? Just watch. Just watch the water. There are messages in the tides, and the waves can't help but to flow from the source. Here we are at the gate. Loud and thunderous, ghetto and dignified, rural and gentrified, electrified. We burn through your fences and boundaries like a forest fire, wild, uncontainable, and essential to the balance, demanding the truth into existence, defying bias with our breath, planting trees with our steps, ferocious like the dew on the grass, firm, interlocked, individually indistinguishable, clasping away at the inevitable for a few more moments of glory in the morning sun. More than be all right. We gonna thrive. We gonna live free. Y'all wanna say this part with me? It is our duty to fight for our freedom. It is our duty to win. We must love each other and protect each other. My bad.
We have nothing to lose but our chains.
We leave our chains at the gate. And here we are, staring tomorrow. Victory. Unadulterated, divine, radical love in the face.
Desafiantes, ingobernables, lo rechazamos y no le tememos. Elegimos la libertad sobre el miedo, porque nuestros futuros están interconectados. Las vidas negras importan, las vidas negras importan. Ningún ser humano es sin liga, ningún ser humano es sin liga. El agua es vida, el agua es vida. Basta de violencia machista, basta de violencia machista. No es mi presidente, que no representa la voz de mi gente. Si están conmigo, pues digan presente. Existe, no es mi presidente.
Thank you. Rosie.
So all her work is dedicated to just like feminist woman rebirth, power, like healing from violence, just regeneration from self.
You catch her poetic, you got half of KATANI right there.
Stand up, pull up, put up, roll. Don't forget to press pause if I say so. Stand up, pull up, put up, roll. Don't forget your press pause if I say so.
I don't give a fuck, I'm popping. I don't even plan on stopping. Look at me, I'm just so lit. I don't even care a little bit if you're hating, cause I'm hit up lit. Do you know how many hats I wear? Fuck around, forgot who got you here.
Get this damn hair work done. Lord, it's a file. Child, I need a file. No, I can't focus with all them papers. But you know, I'ma do what I can to do what I can. It's my boo K to the Izzo. K to the Izzo. Sopo Izzo. Gotta spit some bars about my Gizzo. That's my girl. Damn, or y'all, why you had to take me though? If you know that song. You poppin', if you don't, you still poppin'. Yeah, it don't take a lot to be poppin'. All you gotta do is never stand or stoppin'. Never plan on dropping.
your duties in this world when you know what the hell is going on. It's real out here.
I grew up in Queens and didn't feel connected to land except for the times that I went to Jamaica during the summer. My mother's from a real rural part, so like no TV, run outside, like that's what you do. But I always, growing up like in the city, always felt like something was missing, like there's like a disconnect and I don't know what it is. And moving up here and really like placing your hands on the grass here, it's like, honestly, I really do feel like this is like something special, sacred that I haven't felt in many places before. Like just in terms of like how I see myself in like food justice, like being a bigger person, it's hard to be in spaces like this sometimes. But I never felt like I wasn't loved and wasn't seen. I could do community organizing professionally, and I know that when I talk about education justice and like what our Black and brown students deserve, I always talk about food and justice and like why it's so important for them to have community gardens, why it's so important for them to have like nourishing food during lunch and breakfast and all the times that they're at school. And that came from Soulfire. Like I never have a conversation with a district official or somebody that I'm talking to on the corner about a bodega without mentioning the fact that we need better quality food for our people.
And then being able to do that and reestablish my relationship with the land and learn so much about food justice and the realms that they occupy, and doing it alongside people who look like me, who talk like me, who dance like me, who walk like me, who raps like me. It's like, damn, I could have everything. Like, this is the business right here. I think I'm gonna have to do this. This year, I put in my 2 weeks.
2 weeks, that's right.
But that positive joy was met with loss. A couple months later, I lost my mom. And I've just been dealing with the fallout of that, having to run back and forth to the city and spend time with my sister. But there's the gift and the curse in that our relationship, myself and my sister, has just been blossoming, you know, much like, you know, Soulfire Farm does here on the daily. So much so that she's going to be here tomorrow.
Sunrise, Soulfire Farm can feel just like a sunrise. You make me feel freer every time. You make me wanna change my ways.
Yes, yes.
So if you love me, then let me go alone, and then you can see what I can build once I know me. I'm talking about community. Let's not just say it. Let's practice love until we can just make it. Your hands intertwined in mine and we can pray it.
Come on.
This world is gonna heal past time. So if you want it, just light a little candle, say on it. My ancestors got me and I'm gonna get everything I need this time.
Doing the love on the sky. I'm a bird that can't up but fly.
I'm so excited for Soulstice party, Soulfire Soulstice party. So excited! It's gonna be my first time there. I'm gonna be meeting my bestie Amani over there. Missed the shit out of my bestie. Have not seen you in a minute, boo. I can't wait to see you. I miss you so much. See you soon. I'm looking for Amani. Where's Amani? I was already fighting. Like, nope, I'm gonna see her first.
Cause love will triumph over that terror and greed. Our unified power cannot be defeated, and the first shall be the last, as the last takes the lead.
I don't know.
She's like, here, because, oh my God. Why I came out the woods and everybody I love here. Why I came out the woods and everybody I love.
Yo.
Be the change that you want to see. Cause love will triumph over that terror and greed. Our unified power cannot be defeated, and the first shall be the last, as the last takes the lead.
La tierra es pura guerra, si yo fuera mago convirtiera la violencia en escalera que baja como ganado que ahora está en tercera, pero no. Le nacimos a una fiera que nos traga como sea, porque ama el dinero y no considera la frontera, exagera el dolor mientras sube su bandera. Mientras sube su bandera.
The best DJ ever in the world. He's also Katani's DJ. Give me some, 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 give me some. Yes!
We're here, Soulfire. I just arrived. All the way from Boston. Okay? I love you, I love you, I love you. Albany. Soulfire.
In a time when our brown children must debate the sunshine for fear of bullets in their back, racist violence, police attacks, we begin fighting. Challenge the madness, speaking, awaken the masses.
I came up for the healing with our ancestors. And my stepfather passed away a couple years ago. But he inspired a lot of like my musical content, like what I love, what I feel. I love funk because it's real. So I brought up some instruments and I went to the field, had a conversation, cried, laughed, and I brought some instruments up and I said, you know what, I'm gonna make an offering. And I left them there. And so apparently it snowed on them. They were covered up. And Amani and, was it Heather? I think it was Amani and Heather. Or was it Olivia? They were making a song or something and just happened to look down and the instruments were there. So they picked them up and started using it. And they took it back with them. And I saw it at Amani's birthday party sitting on the table and I was like, where did you get this from? And then she told me the story and I was like, what? I left those there. I left those there. How did they come back? How did they make their way back? But they don't belong to me. You know, and it was so dope. It was so dope. I just love that they were there doing some shit. Just there making music with their ancestors, with the land, with themselves. Just so happened to look down. It was snowing. How they saw it, I don't know. It don't even matter.
Wow.
That's why I just love, like, I love y'all even more. Like, it is from the bottom to the top. Like, it is so deep rooted. Yo, like, you can't make that kind of stuff up. That was like, that had my whole entire heart. My whole came over me and I had my husband there, my baby was there, and I was like, You remember this? You remember this, right? He's like, yeah. I'm like, but do you remember this? Oh my God.
Ellos los quieren sacar de la cima de la montaña. Ahí a donde voy, en la cima de la montaña. Dime quién les cantará a los que no pueden volar. Dime quién les cantará a los árboles.
Create. There's a song to sing. Create. Empty canvas to paint. Create. Community to build. Create. Healing to feel. Please shine your light, feel your light, be your light. Ooh.
I don't give a fuck, I'm popping. I don't even plan on stopping. Look at me, I'm just so lit. I don't even care a little bit if you're hating, cause I'm here to uplift. Do you know how many hats I wear?
Fuck around, forgot who got you here.
Do you know how many hats I wear?
Must have forgotten that I got you here. I said, do you know how many fucking hats